Hello, my name is Nigel Sweet. I'm Operations Manager for Leeds Golf Centre. We had a conversation with Alfa Power and we decided to put some charges into the golf course. And the benefits we've received is that there's outside people use the club. Obviously we are an open golf club, but more and more people hopefully will use the facility, plug the car in, come in for a coffee, use the range and obviously use the facility while they're playing golf. We had a meeting with Zuba from Alfa and he was fantastic. He came across really well. The process seemed very simple to do without any expense at all from our point of view. The process was very easy. They came in first thing 8 o'clock in the morning and they were gone by 6 at night. All the road signage and lines were done on during the day and the charges were up and running. Feedback's been good from members and outsiders because obviously we're moving with the times. It shows that we are prepared to move with the times. As I say, it's been used pretty much every day since putting it in 2 months ago. The questions were asked about any upheaval on putting these in, but it happened within the day and it was a simple changeover really. And there's been no issues since, and it's a very simple procedure to put in place. I'd definitely certainly recommend it to other clubs. It's obviously something that is going to be used more and more down the years, so it's something that people are going to need in usage.